What is this, a Cavalier?
No, it's a Renault Chemade.
Oh, yes, the Chemade.
I thought it was a Cavalier.
All the cars are getting bigger.
So, because you thought it was a Cavalier, is that a compliment or insulting?
Depends. How many Vauxhall enthusiasts am I going to offend with this answer?
I'm going to see what this guy thinks of the car before you see it.
Hiya, man.
You're good.
I know, so's the car, isn't it?
Class, like it. There you go, it's 150 then, please.
Radio. 2.
No problem.
Cheers, man. What do you think?
You've been over before, haven't you? Have you not?
No.
Somebody who came over with, which I think they have more rust-coloured panels.
Oh, this isn't rust coloured, this is the real deal.
Not going to scratch it,
True point, at least it's not going to scratch. Welcome back to the channel. I have something truly special for you today. Truly special. That's special, I'm actually speechless. I can't stop smiling, okay? I am actually joined by I'm joined by Ryan, who owns the car that I am sitting in. Spoiler. There's Ryan.
Hiya.
What's this car again? A Renault?
It's a Renault Chemade.
A Renault Chemade. Never seen one in my life, let alone seen one like this. Probably the first thing you're going to notice is the kind of seat I'm sitting on, and that is tiger print. It feels like a blanket, to be honest. Yeah, quite a loud car. So we're trying to make the journey to where we excuse me, trying to make the journey to where we're actually going to be doing the vlog. I'm going to try and get some shots of this car, maybe use the drone. And I made one rule when we got in the car, not to talk about the car, because I want everything to be as natural as possible with this car. So I don't know any of the answers that I'm going to get from Ryan when I question him about this car, because, and I wanted all the reactions from me to be 100% natural and nothing faked. We got in the car and there was complete silence, and Ryan said to me, so what do we do talk about if we can't talk about the car? So I've got
good point.
Camera rolling, and it's just going to roll because I just want to ask questions. I got in the car and first thing you notice is how do I turn the window down?
It's dash switches.
Oh, fresh air. So you got your buttons there, there's your window switches.
Focus RS just went the other way.
Trust me, sitting in this, I'm not paying attention to any of the car. So, it's a Renault Chemade. I said that right, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, what year is this car?
1991 J plate.
Okay, so it's a J plate on a 1991. And the engine is a 1.7 petrol.
Yes.
automatic gearbox.
Yes.
We have automatic shifter there.
With sport mode.
I thought that said exclusive.
Well, you are exclusive when you drive this car, but no, I think it does something to the shift points for when you want to get a hoon on.
Okay, so it makes like the shift points a little bit later on, so that you.
And I think it does something with the kick down as well. But we're only cruising at the moment.
We're cruising. Okay. Steering wheel, which I absolutely like.
Vertex Racing. What the? Dude. Thank you.
When they see this car, everybody's driving senses go to shit.
Really funny quirk. I think Renault used the same dash design in all cars. So it's fuel injected, but we've got a choke warning light that doesn't work. It's petrol, but we've got a glow plug warning light that doesn't work.
Okay, so what's the gauge that's next to temperature, the other one?
Right, that's oil level. You turn the ignition on, and it will rise up to what your oil level is, and then just drop back down to zero when you start the car.
Because you've got no oil level, maybe we should stop at a shop.
No, it only shows when you've got the ignition on but the engine off.
Okay. Cigarette.
Flip that up.
Okay. Secret compartments. We have another secret compartment there, which is, I do know what this one is, and this is why the reason I said no talking about the car, but I do know what that is, and that is apparently where you hide your head unit.
Yeah, I mean, it's the 90s, someone's going to steal your radio, so just cover it up.
I actually like that kind of gimmick. I wish my Skyline had something like that.
And that's a factory thing, you'll note the Renault logo on it.
Okay, speakers there.
Yep.
Is that a speaker or is that a vent?
I think it's a speaker.
Okay.
And if you'll note the early 2000s computer speakers wired in on the parcel shelf.
Oh my god.
On top of a Rising Sun flag.
Question. Rising Sun flag in a Renault.
Yeah.
Like, no sense.
I bought it like this.
Okay, let's clear one thing up. Ryan did not modify this car. It's been built like this and he fell in love with it, so decided to do a buy. So everything you see, what actually have you done to this car?
Right, 8-ball gear knob. I've taken the film and electrical tape off the front lights. It had a yellow film on the right side one and electrical tape on both to kind of give it angry eyes, but you couldn't really see at night. So I've taken that off, changed the dash mascot, the Grim Reaper duck.
God damn it.
And put a couple of stickers on it and changed the tyres.
Okay, so one of the other modifications that I've noticed is you've got broke all over the place. Yeah, and you've also got, what is this? What is that called?
A wink mirror.
This is a wink mirror. I never could understand why people would want a revvy mirror right across the width of their car. But now that I get to see in the mirror, I very much understand what the necessity of that is.
Dude, you can totally see in your blind spots.
I can see everything. It's like literally widescreen rear view.
Yep.
Are these actual seat covers or are these somebody's blankets that they've just...
No, they're actual seat covers.
They're very warm and very fluffy. It's
yeah,
very winter orientated. And I will, disclaimer, no tigers were made in the making of these seat covers.
No tigers were made.
I mean, no tigers were harmed is the word I'm looking for.
Oh, I'm about to say, are we in the tiger breeding business now?
Wait a minute. Even my mind's gone to shit. If you haven't noticed already, sun's shining and we have a sunroof, but we can't use the sunroof because, in fact, you're going to wait for that. You're going to wait for that. You'll see why the sunroof doesn't work. I don't even know where to start with it, to be honest. Should we just get into it and just let you have a look at the car? Here it is. Air vent. Induction. It's all about that induction.
I think we need to, right, feed it into the passenger side, so that when you've got someone else's girlfriend in the passenger seat, she doesn't get too hot and flustered.
This is not a paint. This is, I'm led to believe, is the real deal.
Of course.
This wing is definitely an old tin can, to put it politely. Here it is. This is why we couldn't show you why the sunroof opened. Well, that the sunroof opened on a hot summer day, because I'm wearing short sleeves. That looks like it's been paintbrushed onto the roof.
What kind of shit is that?
Hopefully the camera picks this up. Yes, it's been paintbrushed.
Damn!
Is this weight saving?
Yeah, it's a lightweight door handle, but you'll notice if you go around the other side that it's only on this side, so it counteracts the weight of the driver for that 50-50 balance. I mean, the homemade roof spoiler.
Yeah, this was going to be the next question. I mean, yeah. What is it made of?
Fiberglass. If you look underneath, you'll see how it's like got what looks like a piece of just plyboard.
Plyboard. Oh my god. I need to get the camera underneath. I've just seen a bloody screw sticking out of it.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
So bad it's good.
I just have no words. I have no words. Fucking hell. Oh, there's more people coming. I can't make eye contact. I'm disappearing behind the car. Tell me when they've gone. Oh, there's another one there. I can't even look.
I'll do a max power pose.
Oh, the look that people, the look that people are giving. Oh my god, I'm cringing like hell. I'm actually embarrassed to look at people square in the eyes when they're driving past. Like, what are you doing? Don't look at me. Well, there you have it. There's Ryan's. Oh my god, there's people coming again. I'm trying to talk.
They heard it was in town.
Oh, disappear. I'm trying to do an outro here, man. Anyway, there's Ryan's car. I told him to get me something good, but he rocks up with this.
Yeah.
No.
But dude, aero blade wipers.
That's probably the best, but that's probably the most expensive part of the car.
What, bar the steering wheel?
That's on the steering wheel. The steering wheel's... I want the steering wheel. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this car review. Alas, I have nothing else to say. Let me know.
The car just speaks for itself, really.
Yeah, it sure does. Let me know down below what you think